We want democracy. We want democracy. हमें चाहिए democracy. हमें चाहिए democracy. Tripura सरकार को खुना दो.
In Bengali. And what was the reason? He was citing the reason, saying that they have no infrastructure. In fact, I, as a leader of the opposition in Tripura Legislative Assembly, I question the board president. Last 17 years, if the Kokborok was evaluated in Roman script, where all of the sudden after 17 years, the infrastructure got disappeared? Now, point is, this was not an issue, but definitely the government had a intention to create some problem in this state. In turn, we, the opposition party, we appeal to the government, and in particular, we brought the attention of Honorable Chief Minister that it should be allowed as it used to be allowed before. So now you are seeing that in the entire state today, all the roads are blocked. Almost all the people are now cannot move anywhere, everywhere. I was alerting the government, and today also I want to tell the same thing. If anything happens in the law and order, the state government will be responsible for that. And the Prasas are united, be it CPM, Congress, BJP, even I can tell you, major chunk of the Bengali people who loves the Kokborok language, they also came out and they supported. It's not my own statement. You can verify my statement. So with the huge support we are getting for Kokborok, and this movement will go on till the point government is not coming and clarifying this stand that Kokborok can be written in both this.
But yesterday, after a meeting with the CM, the Janjati Mocha leaders were saying that the matter has been very much in the notice of the Chief Minister, and importance has been given. And immediately after the assembly session was over, letter was written to CBSE. They are waiting for the CBSE's reply on that. But you also had some interaction with the CBSE. What is the latest?
Say, I can tell you that the Janjati leaders, they may know politics, but I think they lack the knowledge of educational system. CBSE is different organization or institution. TBSC is another independent institution. TBSC basically looks after of the state education policy, and CBSE looks after of the total educational system in the country. Now, under the guidance of CBSE, TBSC is not going to do anything. And as far as Kokborok language is concerned, CBSE has to do small thing in that, but major chunk of the thing to be done by the TBSC. So writing letter to the CBSE, they are telling that we are waiting for the reply, and then only TBSC will take decision. It is a funny statement. Let me tell you, Honorable Chief Minister of this state and most of the ministers, they understand that TBSC is not at all dependent institution of CBSE, autonomous body. So TBSC and the government of Tripura to take this call.
And my last is today also the Chief Minister said that he is looking into the issue. It will very soon be sorted out. He is saying that he is in touch with some of the leaders. Has there been any call from the Chief Minister's side?
I can tell you he was well in touch with our party chairman Maharaja Prabhu Vikram Manikya. Some of the MLAs from ruling government, they were in touch with me. In fact, Dr. Sambit Patra gave me a call in the morning. I told him the same thing. If the spokesperson from the state cabinet, if they come and clarify the issue, I think in no time we'll withdraw this strike, Bondh or road blockade, whatever you call it. So our stand is very clear. Until unless the government comes and clarify officially, this Bondh or this blockade will.
But you are ready to withdraw if there is assurance.
Why we want to torture the people? We want peace, communal harmony in this state, and peace should prevail all time in Tripura. We don't want to torture people. We don't want to disturb the normal day-to-day life of Tripura people. The moment government comes up, we'll withdraw this agitation.